Since the headphone jack started disappearing from our phones, we've been living in a world of clunky dongles and the constant compromise of compressed Bluetooth audio. Now we're seeing the most elegant solution yet, putting the high-quality DAC and amplifier right into the earphone cable itself. Hidizs, a brand known for delivering incredible audio value, has absolutely nailed this concept with their ST2 Pro. It's a complete high-resolution audio system in a surprisingly affordable package. From the moment you unbox it, you get a sense that Hidizs focused on what matters. The packaging is slick, and inside you'll find the earphones, the special Nebula DAC cable, a very nice self-sealing leather-like pouch, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips. The ST2 Pro earphones themselves are crafted from a skin-friendly, transparent resin, giving you a clear view of the 10mm dynamic driver inside. It's a look that feels modern and techy without being over the top. The shells have a custom-like ergonomic shape that fits snugly and comfortably in the ear, providing a good amount of passive noise isolation. At just 7 grams each, they are incredibly lightweight. The real star of the show, however, is the Nebula cable. This is what sets the ST2 Pro apart from the competition. The USB-C connector features a transparent window showcasing the internal circuitry, including the impressive ESS ES9281 AC Pro DAC chip. This is the brain of the operation, handling all the digital to analog conversion. A handy LED indicator lights up red for standard quality audio and blue for high-resolution PCM or DSD playback. The 1.2-meter cable is wrapped in a woven textile material that feels durable yet remains soft and flexible, minimizing microphonic noise. Plugging the ST2 Pro directly into my phone, the first thing I noticed was the sheer power and clarity. The sound signature is tuned to the popular HE 2019 target curve, which translates to a fun, dynamic, and engaging listening experience that works well across a huge variety of music genres. The low end on the ST2 Pro is big, bold, and incredibly satisfying. There's a generous emphasis on both the sub-bass, which provides a deep rumble, and the mid-bass, which delivers a powerful punch. What's impressive is that despite its quantity, the bass remains well controlled. It doesn't sound muddy or bleed excessively into the mid-range, a common flaw in many budget earphones. For a V-shaped tuning, the mid-range is surprisingly present and clean. Vocals and instruments don't feel distant or hollowed out. They come through with good definition and a natural timbre. While a hardcore audiophile might point out a lack of ultimate refinement or texture in the mids, for everyday listening, they are fantastic. Voices are clear, and the sound is harmonious without any harshness. The treble is energetic and extended enough to provide a nice sense of air and detail. It adds a touch of brightness to the sound that keeps things exciting and prevents the presentation from feeling dark or dull. Crucially, it manages to do this without becoming sharp, sibilant, or fatiguing over time. Cymbals have a nice shimmer, and high-frequency details are easily discernible. The stage sound is respectably wide and spacious for an in-ear monitor in this price category. It doesn't feel congested or claustrophobic, and the imaging is good, allowing you to place instruments within the stereo field accurately. While it may not have the vast holographic presentation of much more expensive IEMs, it creates a coherent and immersive listening space. One of the most compelling aspects of this package is the ability to buy the Nebula DAC cable separately in either 2-pin or MMCX variants. This cable is a phenomenal upgrade for any compatible IEM. The cable has a neutral and balanced sound signature with a touch of sparkle, and its 70 milliwatts of power is enough to drive most sensitive IEMs with authority. It offers a significant step up in quality compared to the basic codecs found in most smartphones or generic dongles. It's an incredibly convenient way to get high-quality sound on the go without the bulk of a separate DAC, and it consumes very little power from your phone's battery. The fact that you can get this level of audio performance from a simple cable is truly a game changer. Beyond music, the ST2 Pro with a wired USB-C connection means there is zero latency of audio sync for watching movies or gaming. The built-in HD microphone is also surprisingly clear for phone calls. The simple one-button inline remote allows you to play, pause, and skip tracks. The Hidizs ST2 Pro, for its price of $60 on AliExpress, completely shatters expectations. You're getting a pair of well-tuned earphones and a high-performance DAC cable for the price of what some brands charge for a basic dongle. It is a brilliant, all-in-one solution for anyone looking to seriously upgrade their mobile audio without a lot of hassle or expense. This is the perfect entry point for someone curious about high-fidelity audio. The sound is fun and powerful, the design is smart and practical, and the value is simply off the charts. The ST2 Pro is an absolute recommendation.